such a sad story, it really is. It was designed in Belgium by Airworthy. The trouble is that he designed and they built this beautiful little aircraft. Now, they built a prototype, were very pleased with his performance, and I'm not surprised. It's got a tiny little quantum micron engine, converted four-cylinder, and it produces essentially 10 times more expensive than other aircraft that were available. They only ever built 6 of them. A real shame. 3 of the 6, and the 1 remaining aircraft flying of that group of 7 airplanes is the one you see here. Well, I'll put that in India Echo. Very impressive for its day and age. Two-seater, sometimes used as a trainer. The original design actually had an open cockpit. This was the later version. Now owned by David Beale, based in Witchford, trying to maintain the original fabric cover. It's very light, very responsive controls. Now the low wing loading, the very low drag, I mean you see how efficient this thing is. And look at the speed it's doing. Only 65 horse, quite amazing really. So very responsive, very light, low wing loading, low drag, very good performance.